In this video, you will find out about the well-known Dogecoin, its cost history and Dogecoin cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. Where to purchase the coin and a venture examination. Could Dogecoin at any point contact 0.1 United States dollars by end of January 2023? So we should start. Dogecoin is one of the most well-known cryptographic money. It is like Bitcoin and Ethereum and is presumably more known than a large portion of the altcoins on the lookout. The beginning of the coin was likely a joke, yet it's anything but a joke any longer. The coin has overwhelmed the crypto market and has got financial backers attached to its bullish nature. It detonated in ubiquity in 2021, and the costs took off with the rising number of financial backers. Notwithstanding, the cost of Doge remedied by practically 80% in 2022. In January 2023, we can see Doge pick up speed once more. We should have a concise glance at the costs of Doge and the way things will be in the impending years. However, before that, let us concentrate on what Dogecoin is. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a decentralized open-source distributed computerized digital money, which is leaned toward by Shiba Inu around the world. It is an altcoin in light of an image, and the underpinning of the coin is impacted by a joke. Dogecoin is not quite the same as the typical altcoins due to its astounding and lively local area. The logo of the Shiba Inu canine, a variety of Japanese pet canine on the coin, separates it from the typical altcoins, yet the activity of the digital currency is basically the same as other altcoins. The crypto was apparently made as a joke to make fun of Bitcoin. However, it has become an extremely famous and cherished coin. Today Dogecoin is quite serious. It has exploded and acquired than 5,000% worth in 2021 and afterward amended by 80% in 2022. The token is perhaps of the quickest developing coin, and it found its applications in moving limited quantities of cash in a split second with low exchanging expenses. Dogecoin in late news. Doge cost bounces after Elon Musk shares Twitter 2.0 plans. You can now purchase Elon Musk's, as of late, sent off fragrance with Dogecoin Google Cloud to allow clients to pay in Dogecoin. Dogecoin is one of the top image coins exchanging Indian and worldwide trade with. High-volume Doge value history 2016. The cost of Doge was recorded as $0.0001 in January 2016 and kept on ascending for the next months. The costs were practically steady from February to May, when it ran between $0.0002 $0.0003. A slight climb was seen when the costs crossed the $0.0003 territory in June. Yet it was in a split second back to the equivalent $0.0002 floor after June, and it remained as such till the year's end. It was awful on the grounds that Dogecoin additionally had serious rivalry on the lookout. Doge value history 2017. 2017 was unique. Dogecoin had at long last begun entering the digital money bubble. The underlying costs were for sure low, and it remained beneath $0.0003 until spring. This was the point at which an unforeseen taking off in the costs happened and Doge crossed the $0.0004 benchmark. The financial backers bought the coins and the capitalization of the coins rose consistently. The worth of the coin emphatically expanded in the spring of 2017 and toward the finish of 2017. The costs were at $0.008. Dogecoin value history 2018. Numerous altcoins began to decrease in cost toward the start of 2018. Dogecoin was the same, from being at $0.015 on January 8 to tumbling down to $0.002 toward June's end. It was exceptional and the change was dynamic, yet Dogecoin recuperated rapidly and was recorded as $0.0063 on 11 September. However, the ascent was not extremely durable, and Doge returned to $0.002 before the year's over. Dogecoin value history 2019. The altcoin exchanged on a low cost for the greater part of the year during 2019. Dogecoin kept up with its consistency of cost, $0.002 from the beginning of January to the furthest limit of April. An unexpected climb was seen in May, when the costs flooded up to $0.0033 and afterward further dropped back to $0.002 and continued as before consistently. The costs were not sufficiently unpredictable and stayed under a specific cutoff. Toward the finish of December 2019, Dogecoin was exchanging at $0.0020. Dogecoin value history 2020. Dogecoin was exchanging at $0.002463 on January 6, 2020. The costs flooded up to $0.003046 on 13 February and further fell back to a similar scope of $0.002. The costs of Doge were not recuperating, and it was stuck at a similar stuff. The costs additionally declined to $0.0015 by mid-walk. With specific varieties, Doge hit $0.004 by July. It began a vertical assembly when the costs of BTC extended, and the altcoin kept on exchanging at $0.003. Dogecoin finished the year 2020 at $0.004. Dogecoin value history 2021. 2021 was the time of Dogecoin. This altcoin saw a significant eruption in the cost. Also, from $0.004. It went as far as possible up to $0.7376 on May 8, 2022. The image season was at top, and Dogecoin became one of the most outstanding digital forms of money to give gigantic returns in 2021. Elon Musk tweeted a great deal about Dogecoin that additional to the prominence. Be that as it may, from that point forward Dogecoin has been on a falling binge, and toward the finish of December 2021, Doge was evaluated at $0.171. Dogecoin value history 2022. 2022 was negative for Dogecoin. In any case, the fall was not quite so emotional as some other digital forms of money. Doge exchanged between $0.17 to $0.07. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. What is the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023? We are in mid-2023, and Dogecoin appears to have viewed as its neighborhood base. 2023 ought to be bullish for Doge. Most extreme cost expectation for Dogecoin in 2023 is $1.02, as would be considered normal to occur by December 2023. The base expected Doge cost is $0.12, January 2023. What is Dogecoin cost conjecture for January 2023? Doge is supposed to start the year in green. Dogecoin is supposed to exchange between $0.11 to $0.07. What is Dogecoin cost gauge for February 2023? In February, Doge is supposed to exchange between $0.19 to $0.10. What is Dogecoin value expectation for WOC 2023? Upswing in Dogecoin proceeds. Doge could exchange between 22 cents to 29 cents. What is Doge value expectation for April 2023? Max. Furthermore, min. Doge cost in April 2023 is 39 cents and 28 cents separately. What is Doge value expectation for May 2023? Doge cost expectation for May 2023 propose. Doge could exchange between 24 cents to 46 cents. What is Doge value expectation for June 2023? Doge cost expectation for June 2023